Assalamu alaikum. This is Dr. Yumna Zubair. I'm the Director Internal Affairs and the Head of Program at Pakistan Association of Dental Students. So basically, I am dealing mainly with the workshop. Under my supervision, we conducted 4 to 5 workshops. The 4 workshops were included in Congress, which were on the day 1. On 14th September, we had CBCT by Dr. Hassan Mehdi and 3D printing by Dr. Salahuddin Zaib and Dr. Faisal Hassan. They traveled from all the way from Peshawar to Karachi to give the lecture and hands-on experience to the participants. Participants had an amazing experience. They learned about the digital dentistry and how to use softwares like Exocad and Lychee. Apart from this, on day 2, we had workshop on dental photography by Dr. Mansoor Ahmed, where he is delivering session on how to, what are the basics of the photography, basics of the cameras, and how to click photos accurately. And on the other hand, we are having simultaneously workshop on clear path aligners by Dr. Nasreen Lagani. She has traveled all the way from Lahore to Karachi. And with this session, we are having the hands-on experience on intraoral scanner and the IPR. Pakistan Association of Dental Students, since its inception, has been providing a diverse set of opportunities for the dental students, providing activities like dental camps, workshops, seminars, international collabs, and conferences like these. So this is our 4th annual dental congress. The first one was held in the UHS, the second in the JSMU, the third in the UCMD, and the 4th in Aga Khan. This year we are hosting more than 300 plus dental students, graduates, and the professionals all across Pakistan. We have participants from Karachi, Lahore, Peshawar, Islamabad, Quetta. So conferences like these help the dental students to network, communicate, and understand the opinions of others, to learn from the experts and the peers from the field. So being a student-led organization, we face multiple problems. Reason being that we don't have our funding. So we need to reach out to sponsors multiple times to sponsor our event. So basically, we are so blessed and privileged that we have such a strong network of people that people from all across Pakistan do register for the event. So most of the cost of the event is covered from that. Apart from that, being a student-led organization, we face multiple problems because the students itself has limited number of capacity to do stuff, to manage the curriculum, to manage the academic with this extracurricular activity might be hectic. The organizing committee is mostly undergraduate students from first year, second year, third year. To manage all this is very difficult. So I am so grateful to have such an amazing and hard-working team to manage everything on time and coordinating with everything. So events like these provide dental students with a lot of opportunities to network with the peers from the field, to learn about their perspective and the advancement and the technology in the field. So the conferences like these, or the extracurricular, the community work like these, is very important to shape person's professional and personal development for personal grooming, because in the curriculum we aren't learning these set of skills about the marketing, about the content creation, how to lead a team, how to deal with conflicts, how to deal the conflict resolution. In the end, I would like to thank the media team, the media partner for this year's conference, the Dental News. Because of them, we were able to spread our word to the peers, to the large number of audience. Thank you so much, Irfan Saab. Thank you so much, Sir Hashim, for sponsoring our event, the Inspire Dent, the startup competition. Thank you.